5 again. Okay. That's these. These are the injector hold down clamps. Total 6 of those. We always lubricate the threads of the bolts. These are injector sealing washers. They go on the very bottom of the fuel injector. Washer can go either way, doesn't matter. You have to grease it because when you go to put it in, it's going upside down like that. Gotta put this in. Always put the injector hole down with it. Just put them in loose for now, then we torque them all at the same time. We normally drop it in just like this. That's how it should go in the engine, go in the cylinder. Make sure the injector nozzle is straight, because it can turn a little bit. Push it to the right, to the left, and then back to the middle. Tighten it down. You can also lube up the body. These washers here are for the return line, the small return line that links all these together. And that just horseshoes around that. Save these for later when you put your return line on. And next is to torque all the hold downs down. What's the torque on those, Mike?
26, I think, the same as the...
Yep. These rockers and these bolts are the same size. They're the same torque, 26 foot-pounds. That is a cylinder head installed. The next things will be air inlet housing. We do have the fuel injection pump out for rebuild. That goes here. We cannot turn the engine with this being removed. We'll take the engine out of time. Down here is a seawater pump. So our goal for today was to get the head on the boat, down the engine room, on the engine, torqued with all the rockers.